Hi everyone! I have a big surprise for you. Time to do a little bit of my own Fizzy magic. Woohoo! There it is! It's a Trolls Play-Doh Press and Styling Salon. Woo! This is gonna be fun! Let's get this Play-Doh Trolls party started! Yeah!
The Fizzy Toy Show!
Hi everyone! I am so excited to get into this Trolls Press and Style Salon. Let's open the box. Time to put our salon together. Check it out! We have scissors to cut hair, a super crazy Trolls hair mold, little bald Poppy, we'll put her on here, whoop. Little bald branch, and lots of Play-Doh. We have blue Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, and not one, but 2 cans of pink Play-Doh. Let's get started with that pink Play-Doh. We're gonna fill Poppy up with some pink Play-Doh. Now let's get her on the chair and make that hair grow. Here comes the hair! Whoa, look at that hair! I think she can grow even more hair! Wow, that's a lot of hair. So Poppy likes to wear her hair up like this, but it's a little bit too long. Let's give her a haircut. That's better. Now she has some pretty cute hair. Uh-oh, here come the crazy scissors. Oh no, she's getting a very short haircut. The reason why we gave her that haircut is we are going to make this super awesome Poppy hair mold. Let's put a whole bunch of pink Play-Doh in this hair mold. And let's squeeze it super duper tight. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now let's pop it on Poppy's little head. And open it up. Hey, that's some pretty cool hair. I think Poppy needs a little bow in her hair. Look, we have all these different molds. And here's a bow. Let's make it blue. Here's our little blue bow. And we'll pop it in Poppy's hair. Let's give Branch some hair. But first, Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo-Bizzy, Bop. Oh yeah, we have a Trolls blind bag. Let's see which little troll we got. Hey, we got Poppy. Look at the crazy hair on Poppy. Whoa! Let's give it a twist and give it a shake. Okay, Branch needs some blue hair. Let's grow that hair. Woo! Look, he has a big, tall mohawk. Let's keep growing that hair. Grow, grow, grow. Woo! Now it's over to the side. Well, that's a pretty fancy hairdo, but let's make it look more like Branch's real hair. No, that's not right. We need to give him a little trim. Now let's do the other side. Okay, just a little more trim up here. There we go. That looks like Branch's hair. Looking good, Branch, looking good. Let's make a big flower for her pretty rainbow hair. Let's make it purple and orange. Whoa, that's super pretty. Look at that flower. Let's go ahead and put it in her hair. It's beautiful. I want troll hair. I want troll hair. Okay, Owlette, let's give you troll hair. And let's make it, green. Let's put our green Play-Doh in here and start making some hair for Owlette. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay, we can pop this on Owlette's head. Whoop. And let's see how it looks. Whoa! She has giant green troll hair. And she needs a bow in that hair. Let's put a pink bow in her hair. Here we go. Awesome! Now Owlette has crazy green troll hair. My turn, my turn. Okay, Sky, what color troll hair do you want? I would like orange. Okay, Sky, let's give you some crazy orange troll hair. Hey, wait, what popped up back there? Let's take a break and open up this Disney Lego minifigure. Uh-oh, it looks like we got Maleficent. Let's put her together. Whoa, look at Maleficent. So here she is, and boy does she look pretty mean. She also looks pretty awesome with her cape. So cool. Okay, let's make Sky's hair. Let's go ahead and pop this on Sky's head. Where are her eyes? All right, let's open it up. Whoa! Look at Sky's crazy troll hair. Okay, let's give her a purple bow. Here is Sky's little purple bow. Look how funny she looks. So super cute too. Okay, I think it's time for one more Fizzy Wizzy Bo Bizzy Bop. Woo! We got Squinky's Dewdrops. Let's see who we got. We have a super cool castle, and let's see who's in our blind bags. Whoa, look at this cool fish. This one's name is Lolly Bubbles. Who else is in here? Look at this little acorn. Her name is Nutty Hazel. And now it's time to see our dew. This one is the Posy Dew. Let's put it on our little fish. Oh, so super adorable.
Oh my goodnesses! Everybody looks so cute and has crazy hair like Fizzy! Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and give it a big thumbs up! And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Bye guys.
Bye bye!